from Japan. Today, I enjoy Japanese style curry. I introduce how to make easy curry roux and regular Japanese style curry. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
Heat the pot. First, put the butter in the pot and melt them. Once the butter has melted, add the flour. Mix them well. Mix and heat for about 15 minutes until it has thick texture. Add curry powder over your favorite spice mix. Mix them well. Add honey or marmalade jam. Mix them well. Once the ingredients are well mixed, turn off the heat. Line Tupperware with plastic wrap. Place the curry roux on the plastic wrap. Level the surface of the roux. Make a cut in the center of the roux. Additionally, make cross cut on them. The curry roux base is completed. Cover and let it rest in the refrigerator overnight. Good morning! I let it rest overnight and the roux was completed. Next, let's make basic Japanese curry. Peel the onion. Cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Next, peel the carrot. Cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces. Turn on the heat. Add the oil to the pot. Add the pork. Stir fry the pork. When the pork is cooked, add the onions and stir them. When the onions are cooked, add the potatoes and the carrots. Mix them gently. Add water. Heat them until they boil. Once the lye comes out, remove them. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the curry roux to the pot. Heat while stirring until the roux is melted. Once the roux has melted, the Japanese-style curry is completed. Arrange the rice on a plate and pour the curry over it. Japanese-style curry on rice is completed. Japanese curry is characterized by its thick texture. Many types of curry roux are sold in Japan. Today, I enjoy a basic curry roux, but adding tomato sauce or juice, it becomes an even more fruity curry. There are many other delicious Japanese curry recipes, so I will share with you someday.
Thank you for your viewing. How was curry on rice? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking for your comments. See you next week. Bye!